In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal with Shopify. Let's get started right inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look down to the lower left corner of the screen and find the settings option. Go ahead and click that. This is where all your store configuration lives. On the settings page, you'll see a menu running along the left-hand side. From that list, look for payments and click it. This will open up your payment settings where you can manage how customers pay at checkout. On the payments page, scroll until you see PayPal. Depending on your setup, it might appear either under payment providers or under supported payment methods. What you're looking for is an option to connect or activate PayPal. Once you find PayPal, click the Activate PayPal button. This will bring up a PayPal information or confirmation page within Shopify. Here, you should see another Activate button. Click that to move on to the PayPal sign-in process. A new browser tab or window will open, taking you to the official PayPal website. This is where you link your PayPal account to your Shopify store. On this page, PayPal will ask you for your account details. Enter the email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account, then enter your PayPal password. When everything is filled in correctly, click Login to continue. In some cases, PayPal might add an extra security step to make sure it's really you. This is normal and helps protect your account. You may see a prompt asking how you want to receive a security code. Typically, you can choose to get the code by email, by text message, or through a messaging app. Select the option that works best for you, then click Next. Now, wait for the 6-digit code to arrive. It can take a short moment, so don't worry if it's not instant. Once you receive the code, type it carefully into the field provided on the PayPal page, then click Submit. After that, give the page a bit of time to load. When the connection is successful, you should see a confirmation message, something along the lines of "You're all set." The page may refresh once more on its own. When it's done, look for a button that says Return to Shopify. Click that, and you'll be taken back to your Shopify payment settings page, where PayPal should now show as an active payment method for your store.